Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at gold for the next day. And we can see we will start with the trend, right? We all know that before we actually place any trade, one thing we would want to know or ask ourselves is that what is the trend for this movement? Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move, or is it a ranging market move? So we clearly can see that this gold is actually an uptrend move. You can clearly see an higher highs and higher lows. That is one. You can also see that this price is also trading above the 10 period simple moving average, which actually guide us to know if this price is uptrend or downtrend. So you can see it is trading above it. So clearly this is an uptrend move. Now we would want to ask ourselves the second questions. Is that have a pullback been made? Yes or no? The thing is that pullback is actually playing out. And is this pullback over? Well, I don't think this pullback is over. We still see we need to actually have a pullback to at least a level of 1885 or lower than that or below that, even drop more than that, who knows. But let's watch out for a target, or let's call it a target of 1890. So let's watch out for at least a level of 1890. That means if price can get to a level of 1890, then we expect it to actually drop further down. That is what we'll be watching out for. So we will see something like this on this our goal. Let's start it from here. We will see as this to be an ice, a pullback here, kind of we had a little bit of a reaction here. We also see that price has once reacted to the same level here. This is one of the reasons why I've highlighted it, right? I've highlighted this level. Price has once given us a reaction here. So once price got to this level, we had a little bit of a reduction, just a little bit, not much. The price broke out of the level. So of course, once price break out of that level, price needs to come back to test this level that it broke out from. So this is why I'm saying that at least we should watch out for a level of 188, something. But if in case of anything, we should try and watch out for a level of 1890. So first, a level of 1890, price can now break further than that. But if you want to, for the next day alone, let's try and watch out for a level of 1890. If price breaks below that, then no problem. If price starts giving us a bullish move from that level, no problem. But the first target we should watch is a pullback to a level of 1890 on this gold. And we can see on this forward time frame, we are getting a lower lows and a lower highs. So we see this to be a lows and a lower highs here. Then a new lows being played out here. You can now clearly see this to be a lower highs. Now a new lows is forming. Thereby, this new lows will have to take out this previous lows. So price will drop, then a pullback. I believe once it drops again, we should hit a level of 1890. So first, we need to have a pullback to a level of 1890. We can also see that this price is below this 10 period simple moving average. So more drop is to come on our gold.